Okay, so welcome back. So for this lab, solve natin yung lab na user ID controlled by request parameter with data leakage in redirect. So this lab contains an access control vulnerability where sensitive information is leaked in the body of a redirect response. No? So to solve the lab, let's get the API key ni Carlos and submit it as a solution. So we again have credentials winner Peter. No? So let's visit the lab and go to my account and log in as winner and Peter. So ngayon, makikita natin dito, again, na meron tayong winner na username and API key. And dun sa previous lab natin, pinilitan lang natin yung winner into Carlos. Pero ngayon, nung nakita natin, ginawa natin yun, na-redirect tayo sa login page. So meaning, hindi na natin makita yung API key ni Carlos. Kasi rini-redirect niya na tayo to the login page. Pero, if we look at the HTTP request in Burp, so, ito yung get my account ID Carlos natin. So, you have HTTP 302 found. So, again, that is redirect. Pero, if we look at the body, makikita natin na linode pa rin niya yung account information ni Carlos. No? So, nakita natin dito, your username is Carlos and the API key. So if we copy this and submit this as the solution, we solved the lab na ito. So I hope na gets you tong video na to and see you in the next video.